opportunity. Oh. Ew. You know what? Hello, why?
Aziza. You see? Exactly. Mosquito. What is the botanical name of Aziza? Mosquito. Exactly.
And what's the meaning of this?
No, you just came mosquito.
I said, what's the meaning of this? Are you mad?
No, sorry. It's just that as you were coming in and mosquito.
I had a landlord in back.
Wait, does it mean that our landlord, that useless man, has been sneaking around? It's a better one.
You see where I used to have problems with you?
Understatement.
You like painting what? You like painting it. In as much as that man is, I know you used to give you all these workers. In as much as you're a longer I know. In as much as that, what
do you want me to say now? What have I done wrong?
Say that he has been busy chasing a better.
Okay, fine. The useless man has been chasing a berry.
A girl that is young enough to be his own daughter.
And the one in case you win me with that punch or that slap.
Hey, wait. Okay, this super yanya.
When I cut out we and I know the way. Hasren.
Yes. You know that man.
You want to? Okay, so let's come on, never. Are you mad? I said you compare me with that one.
Assalamu alaikum.
That family
now. Hold that everything there.
Hey, so you people have the guts. You people have the guts to gossip with my name, Abi.
landlord.
Who just know?
Landlord. You're always being sentimental about issues. We are just appreciating you.
Yes.
Of how you have been paying our NEPA bill.
Yes.
And all those things. I was here. All those numerous things.
I hear what people say, dude.
Okay, leave that thing. Forget that thing. Wait, though. Are you telling me that I'm deaf now? Or maybe?
No, wait. Let me just tell you. Among the four of us, I'm the only two person here. Now let me tell you what we were saying before God and man. We are just appreciating you for allowing us to remain in your house. For over 12 years we have been owing you. We have not even paid Sheshe. What a wonderful land.
Maintain that far distance.
Maintain it. Oga landlord, calm down now. No longer calm now. I was just trying to come to your house before I came here. No longer calm now. Give me. Ibekwe, wait. Guys, you after sleeping with my sugar mommy. After sleeping with my sugar mommy, you have the guts, you have the boldness to come and stand with me and be speaking with me. Ibekwe. Oga landlord, I don't understand you.
They don't understand.
Yes, Oga landlord.
Leave a bed for me. Leave a bed for me. That girl that I'm managing. You want to buy me this?
So it's true.
Let me tell you. Immediately, look at me. Immediately your husband just expire. Hey now. You're packing up from this house. You're packing up from this house. And wait, and let me tell you this thing. Don't you ever carry so too less near my door to come out for me for chicken.
Yeah.